Hey guys, I just want to jump in here with a quick video for a DIY shower. It's not even a 1 gallon spray bottle. You can pick it up at big box store, or you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below. Basically, it's just a regular pump garden sprayer, and you can put your water in there and have you a nice shower. You can adjust the spray. You can turn it on and off with the thumb control. You can mix your temperature, just boil some water, mix it with some cooler water, and there's more than enough water here for at least 2 showers in this size container. And I believe this one is just shy of a gallon. So it's probably 32 ounces, a little bit more than that, 64 maybe. So quick idea for you. Doesn't take up too much space in your vehicle, and it's pretty economical as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.